talk about sound production still. So guys, as we're doing sound production, I'm looking like I'm like to know like like a bunch of few things, guys. Once we do this, that means we're meaning to of sound production, guys. As we're doing like sounds, we have to come up any sounds. Okay? I need everyone to come up any sounds. Yeah, everyone, do this with me. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, good. Now, once you experience sounds itself, and then that's going to interrupt other word for pro, pro, production. Do you know a production actually is? A production is a team when you are filming any movie or a storyboards. Once you have your videos, this means you're becoming a production. You know what I mean? And that's pro pro production actually is because a production actually is thing about you're filming in the actual video or if you're like or like I'm getting in the a movie it's kind of like doing like selling them with like for like in the example you're using like of that word of production right so I mean if you like use it for a good cause because you're actually using like something like when you're not but when you're like filming in an actual like scene if you want to become a producer so cause a production is like doing it's like being on a you're doing it behind the scenes to how to work a camera. After that, you have to find a way to actually do behind the scenes of becoming a successful production when you're filming an actual movie. So this if you were a pro producer, you got budget of that film put on YouTube, and that's producer actually is. If you are a writer, you have to write a script for the actors. Right? If you want to be an director, That means you have to tell everyone what to do. You speak emotions and put in like a lot in there. As the production itself, you can start using that word now because I know we did spoke about movies last year, which is what is a movie, a theater producers and how to acting in a movie and this acting well movement and there's acting with a script at the same time we're acting. That means you're taking it more seriously and you can produce any movies. So guys, now I need your help when you like want to do second some here's some things you guys can do. You have to do the stuff because this stuff is gonna help you out. Like with this about here's some things you guys to learn. You have to learn how to become better actors. You got edit of that movie. Make sure that movie is perfect to come out. It's gonna send other producers. Gonna come watching any movie. Put on YouTube, and it's there for everyone to watch. Alright, so I'll say thank you for everyone you stick around for this long. Alright, goodbye, bye. Thank you for watching.